You can use the Let's Talk button on the district homepage to communicate with the district or buildings about questions, concerns, comments, or compliments that you may have. To do this, visit rdale.org and click on Let's Talk in the blue ribbon along the top. Here, you'll find lots of different options for you to click on. These are how your question or comment will be directed to the correct person to answer the question. There's trending topics, district level topics, such as human resources or technology, schools, other topics, and community education. If you click on one of these topics, for example, I'm going to click on Meadow Lake Elementary, you can fill out the form to communicate with Meadow Lake Elementary. You can submit a question, comment, suggestion, concern, or compliment. Add the subject and the description, as well as your contact information and who you are in the district, such as a student, parent or guardian, employee, or community member. When you're done, click Submit.